all ready to go.
When they say she get it from her mama, I'ma say you fuck her right. Body big as humble like tell me in the humble club. Tell me is you down, cause I'm trying to go good tonight. All the hope she slept right. I just want
I'm super excited. We're going on a weekend trip this week to a little ski town, but we're not gonna go skiing. We're just gonna enjoy the hot tub, the spa, just have a really cozy spring weekend getaway. I'm very, very excited. It's a very cute little town, and we're gonna go hiking, maybe go to the spa, do some hot tubbing, just relax. I'll be cooking a lot of meals, like springtime meals. We'll be playing some games, all the things. Here's my bag. We're packed and all ready to go. We are at our little chalet, and we are getting ready to go in the hot tub and enjoy some drinks and just chill for the night, and then go to sleep and wake up and have a fun day tomorrow. All ready for the hot tub, and we're gonna enjoy some drinks and some spa time, and then come back in, maybe get a little bit of a midnight snack, and then head to bed. Here are the drinks. Oh, it's chilly. Here's the hot tub. Ooh, it looks so nice and peaceful. Look at the mountains. Ooh. We're showered and we're all ready to go to bed, so I'm just gonna crawl in and have a good night. It's the next morning, and we're gonna do a little bit of skincare, a little bit of makeup, getting ready for the day, and then move on to our adventures. We're ready for the day, and now we're gonna go walk to a little coffee shop to get some coffee, make some breakfast. The rest of the family's gonna come pretty soon. We're gonna go on a hike, play some games, just have a really fun day. So let's go get some coffee. We're walking. It's on you. Okay, we're walking to a little coffee shop. We're gonna get some yummy espresso and then make some breakfast and enjoy a day of just chilling with those men.
But sadly, on the way here, we got a ticket.
What?
Which was dumb because it was construction zone and so it was 10 lower.
Oh.
And we didn't know that. It was really annoying.
Really? Is it expensive? Is it like $200 or something?
It was, the worst it would have been was like 400 some bucks, but we got it for 160.
Okay, that's not terrible.
find something worth saving. It's all for the taking. I always say I'll be better off Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. Oh, if karma's really real.
It's our last day here. We had a really nice breakfast, some pancakes, berries, eggs, all the things. And then we're just going to have a really fun, chill day. I'm gonna do my sister's makeup, just to practice on her for my makeup brand, and then watch The Lord of the Rings, because our husbands love that, and go from there. This view is unreal. This is our window. This is insane. It's so beautiful. All these mountains are just stunning. I'm gonna do her makeup right there. Going on a little hike today. in the beautiful sunshine, but it is definitely still snowy out. But it's melting the creeks.
I know.
It's so beautiful. Look at this peak right there. Wow. We sat down at a delicious restaurant and we're getting bibimbap. We got some yams.
You don't mind?
I will not need it.
Okay. Bibimbap.
Bibimbap. Oh, it might be really hot. You hear the sizzle?
Oh yeah, I hear it sizzling. And
Ooh,
man,
the
touch that
sizzle.
kettle. Just give that cauldron a little tap.
Let me just pick it up and move it on.
Oh. Okay, tell me how it is. Good. We're officially back from our trip. We had a beautiful long weekend that was just super relaxing and definitely needed. Just getting away for a little bit is just so nice. So that was really refreshing. I feel good, ready to jump back into work and everything. So I'm glad we did that. It was really fun. I'm sad the snow is still not gone. I want it to feel like springtime, but it's not quite there, but I feel it. I can feel it. It's there. It's coming. Just want to say thank you for watching. If you like this video, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!